Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a heck of a truck to show you this morning. It's a 2008 Pete 3D8 flat top with a deleted ISX Cummins 18-speed, 46,000 rears. We'll get it fired up and do a quick walk around for you, show you what we got here. Only 155,000 miles. Interior's clean. This one's got a wet kit as well. It's on air track suspension. Got outside aluminums. Frame rail super clean. Excellent brakes. Body and paint's in good shape. Only ding I see is this one right here. Just have to hit it in the right sunlight for it to see it. Wet kit's a split tank there. Appreciate you guys watching. Give me a shout if you got questions, 901-896-4526.